Alright guys, here's a new lesson that's going to be dropped for this week. It's called Solving Rational Expressions. So here's an example of it. If I have 3 over 5x equal to 2 over x minus 7, we're going to cross multiply here to start our solving method. So I'm going to multiply 3 times x minus 7, so I'll write it down here, 3 times x minus 7 equal to, and then I'm going to multiply 5x times 2 over here, and I'm going to get 5x times 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and distribute to everything inside the parentheses. So the very first one, 3 times x and 3 times negative 7, this gives me 3x minus 21. Okay, so I multiply it to here, and I multiply it to here. Equal to 5x times 2. So this will give me 10x. Now the next thing I need to do is to combine my like terms. So notice I have a 3x here and a 10x over here. So I'm going to subtract 3x here, subtract 3x over here. This will go to 0. And I'm left with negative 21 equals to 7x. And then to get the x by itself, I'm going to go ahead and divide by 7 on both sides. And negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3, and that gives me x equal to negative 3. Now this is what I solve. Now what you have to do is you got to go back to the equation and check if that answer is correct. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to replace it with negative 3. Okay? So just to do this here, I have 5x over here. I'm going to replace that with x with negative 3 on the bottom. And then the next one, I'm going to have 2 over negative 3 minus 7. So earlier it was an x, now I replace that x with negative 3. So I distribute the 5 times negative 3, so this is 3 over negative 15. This is going to give me 2 over negative 10. Now what do? I need to go ahead and reduce my fractions. So on my first fraction, 3 over negative 15 is divisible by 3. So this reduces to 1 over negative 5. On my second fraction, 2 and negative 10 are divisible by 2. So I get 1 over negative 5. This statement is true, and therefore x equals negative 3 is my correct answer.